Here we have a 69 plate BMW M2 competition. With the 3-litre engine, this vehicle produces 405 brake horsepower. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels, all unmarked, and we also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the Long Beach blue metallic paintwork. We also have the LED daytime running headlights, the full M Performance carbon fibre kit, which as if we get closer you'll be able to see the carbon fibre around the grills there, along with the M2 badging as well. Round to the passenger side you find we have the carbon fibre on the side skirts. We also have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antennae up top. We also have the carbon fibre rear spoiler, if the camera will be able to pick it up just there. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and an audible warning as well. We have the quad tip exhaust at the back, along with the carbon fibre rear diffuser as well. We have the M2 competition badging on the rear tailgate. And then back around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So taking a look at the interior. Inside of here you find we have the full leather interior, we have the M2 competition seats just there, very comfortable seats which are both heated as well. We have the 2 seats at the back with the fixed ISO points just there. We also have the M logo as well, as you can see there, with the M Sport style seat belts. We also have the electric windows on the doors. We have the carbon fibre trim, Harman Kardon sound system. We have the Alcantara just there as well with the blue stitching. We also have the auto lights down there, the auto wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side. We also have the cruise control and the speed limiter, the M setups as well. We have the digital screens just there on the dashboard, the main infotainment screen in the centre which has the lights of the sat nav. We also have the DAB radio, the Bluetooth phone connectivity and much more. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full lot valid, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW M2 competition. Now the purpose of this video test drive of course is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not activating the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, so it's straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we do have a multi-function steering wheel with 2 different M modes as well as cruise control and speed limiter. Now to activate the cruise control, simply just press the dial, press the button and then use the dial to push up or down and get us to the nearest miles an hour. Push up until you feel a bit of a click and it'll adjust to the nearest 5, or push up very slightly and it'll adjust to the nearest 1 miles an hour. Now the 2 different M modes, now you can put these to your different settings on the iDrive system. So on M1 you can have it say your efficiency driving, so you've got your higher MPG, or you can put it onto M2 and you can have it so you're more aggressive driving or your sports plus or sport. Now you do also have a paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. So currently I'm in 5th, I'm going to drop it down to 4th, 3rd, 2nd, up to 3rd, up to 4th, into 5th, and then we'll let the car take back over by simply pushing the gear stick to the right and it goes back into D. Now we do have a digital dash in front of me, so you can have the road sign analysis, so it tells you what speed limit the road is on, the road that you're on is, and it also gives you a digital display of what speed you're doing. We have the integrated Harman speakers which do sound absolutely incredible. All around the interior of this vehicle you do have the tri-carbon fibre and the suede trim, and it's a very nice addition to have. Now the screen in the centre is touchscreen and you can also find your Bluetooth video, Bluetooth audio connectivity. We also have DAB radio as well as FM and AM. We also have the satellite navigation screen. And once you pop it into reverse, you do have a virtual display of your front and rear parking sensors. Now the 2 front seats are also heated as well. All the seats in the interior are leather with suede accents. The 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings it really does make all the difference. Now the interior of this car is very comfortable and you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 40 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse and just show you the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to. And you'll see pop up in the centre screen the visual display of your front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard on seat brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and you can see the virtual display of your front and rear parking sensors just on the screen there as well. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any wanted knocks or bangs. Now, if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if you've answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and what on video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this motor video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.